Zinc-plated steel construction. ABYC Code. B. Installed height. 1. 2-3/4 steel pin. The lock-N pin 3/4 system gives you outstanding economical performance with a design that has been proven by decades of experience. The patented lock-N pin system leads the industry in safety. Lock-N pin products exceed ABYC Standard H31.6.1. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. Works as expected and fits the Attwood base with a secure locked-in feel and pops out with a good strong pull. Swivels nicely and is sturdy. I am 230 pounds and do not feel like this is flimsy at all.